Bet you never thought a rooster could unlock the secrets of menopause. This strange tale might just change the way you see hormone therapy forever.
Join us as we unravel the incredible journey of hormone replacement therapy. In this video, you'll uncover the science behind hormones, the milestones that shaped HRT, and how modern medicine transformed the way we approach menopause. But that's not all. What's coming next in the world of menopause treatment might just leave you speechless. Stay with us to the end as we bring it all together, the past, the present, and the groundbreaking future of HRT.
Is menopause being overtreated, overlooked, or finally getting the respect it deserves? Wait till the end to find out.
Guten Tag, meine Freunde. Today I will tell you the story of how hormones were discovered, a discovery that changed the world of science forever. It was the year 1849 in the beautiful city of Göttingen, Germany. We conducted an experiment with roosters. Roosters. You see, their testicles were removed and something fascinating happened. The roosters lost their male characteristics, their combs and wattles shrank, and they became less aggressive. When we transplanted the testes back into their bodies, these traits returned. This led to a groundbreaking conclusion. The testes must release something into the bloodstream that affects the body.
And that, my friends, is the rooster story.
This was coined internal secretion, what you now know as hormones. The word hormone comes from the Greek hormone, meaning to set in motion. And indeed, hormones set many processes in motion within your body. Hormones are chemical messengers produced by glands like the ovaries, thyroid, and adrenals. They travel through your bloodstream to tissues and organs, regulating everything from your mood and metabolism to your growth and reproduction. Meine Freunde, it is humbling to know that this simple experiment with roosters laid the foundation for modern endocrinology. Today we understand how crucial hormones are to your health and well-being. Let us talk about the menopause, yeah? It all begins with your ovaries, small but mighty organs that produce two very important hormones. Estrogen and progesterone. These little chemicals control your menstrual cycle, your mood, your bones. So many things. But who is in charge of all this? The brain. More specifically, your pituitary gland. Yeah, very clever little gland. It sends out something called follicle stimulating hormone, or FSH. Very sciencey, yeah? To tell the ovaries, make more hormones, loss. But then, as you get older, the ovaries get a little lazy. They slow down, making less estrogen and progesterone, and what happens next? Boom. Hot flushes, mood swings, skin changes, the bones, they also feel it. Your brain, being very determined, tries to fix this by sending even more FSH. Wake up, ovaries. But eventually, the ovaries say, 9, we are done. And so your hormone levels settle at a new normal. But fear not, your body is amazing. It is simply adjusting to a new phase of life. Sehr gut, ja?
That's what happens to your hormones in menopause. And trust me, there's a lot more coming, so buckle up.
Let's talk about hormone replacement therapy, a game changer in menopause management, but what a history, full of scientific wonder, controversy, and ever-evolving research. Let's start in the 1920s. A time of great discovery. Scientists Edgar Allen and Edward Doisy were among the first to isolate and identify estrogen, proving its wonderschön role in the female reproductive system. Fast forward to 1938, British biochemist Sir Charles Dodds synthesized diethylstilbestrol, or DES for short, the first synthetic estrogen. Then came the 1940s. Pharmaceutical companies introduced Premarin, the first widely used estrogen therapy. A breakthrough. But then, in the 1950s, menopause became a medizinische Angelegenheit. Dr. Robert A. Wilson's legendary 1966 book, Feminine Forever, made waves. He claimed estrogen could cure menopause, keeping women youthful and vibrant. Fantastic. Or was it? Pharmaceutical companies backed his work, fueling a massive boom in HRT prescriptions. But, Achtung! Critics later argued he over-exaggerated the benefits while hiding the risks, because at that time, long-term effects were still in großes Fragezeichen. By the 1970s, studies uncovered a problem. Estrogen-only HRT was linked to a higher risk of endometrial cancer. 2009. So what did they do? They introduced combination therapy, estrogen plus progestin for women with a uterus to keep the endometrium in check. Then came the 1990s, and HRT was being used not just for menopause symptoms, but also to prevent osteoporosis and heart disease. But halt! In 2002, the famous Women's Health Initiative, WHI for short, sent shockwaves through the medical world. Their study linked HRT to an increased risk of breast cancer, heart disease, stroke, and blood clots. Catastrophe. HRT use plummeted overnight and panic spread like wildfire.
Did you catch that? He said HRT use was bouncing up and down like a yo-yo in the 20th century. No wonder everyone is confused.
But wait, es gibt Hoffnung. Follow-up studies showed that HRT is actually safer when started before age 60 or within 10 years of menopause. And listen to this. Estrogen-only HRT lowers breast cancer risk than combined HRT, transdermal estrogen, patches or gels. Lower clotting risk than oral HRT.
Can you just tell us where HRT stands today? Is it finally having its comeback moment, or is it still spinning in the controversy loop?
Today, HRT remains the gold standard for treating hot flushes, night sweats, and even osteoporosis prevention. While it's not used solely for heart disease prevention, exciting research suggests possible brain and heart benefits if started early. The key? A personalized approach. HRT is now considered a safe and effective option for many women. Jawohl!
Do we really need a crystal ball to figure out the future of menopause care? Or is the future already knocking at our door?
All right, listen up. Menopause treatment is about to level up. The future is all about precision, personalization, and cutting-edge tech. First up, next-gen hormones. We're talking SERMs, designed to give you all the benefits of estrogen without the risks. Scientists are also working on ultra-precise estrogen receptor activators. Not into hormones? No worries. Meet NK3R antagonists like fezolinetin, blocking brain signals that cause hot flushes. More of these, like elinzanetin and pavonedin, are on the way. And get this, stem cell therapy. Researchers are looking at ways to reboot ovarian function with MSCs, ovarian tissue transplants, and even PRP injections. Imagine delaying menopause naturally. But wait, it gets wilder. Gene therapy and CRISPR might soon tweak estrogen production and slow ovarian aging. Think of it as hacking menopause at the genetic level. But AI-driven health tech is coming in hot, with wearable hormone monitors and custom treatment plans based on your DNA and real-time symptoms. And let's not forget the microbiome. Probiotics could be key to balancing hormones naturally. What else? Bioengineered hormones, lab-grown estrogen, targeted peptides, and even kisspeptin-based therapies that regulate hormones without the cancer risks. Scientists are even looking into menopause vaccines and immune therapies. And if you're into longevity science, NAD plus boosters, senolytics, and telomerase activators could help slow aging and make menopause a breeze. Bottom line, the future of menopause treatment is personalized, tech-powered, and safer than ever. It's time to say goodbye to one-size-fits-all solutions. Your menopause journey is about to get next level.
Is menopause over-medicalized or a legitimate medical issue? It's a nuanced question. Menopause is a natural transition, but it can bring significant changes, such as hot flushes, mood swings, and long-term risks like osteoporosis and cardiovascular disease. Some advocate for a more natural approach, while others emphasize the serious health risks associated with estrogen deficiency. HRT has been a breakthrough in managing symptoms and reducing health risks. However, after concerns over the safety of HRT emerged, a more personalized approach to treatment is now standard. In addition, non-hormonal treatments, lifestyle modifications, and herbal remedies offer women various options to suit their needs. Ultimately, menopause treatment isn't one-size-fits-all. Whether through natural methods, medical interventions, or a combination of both, the aim is to support women in thriving during this phase of life. With ongoing research and innovation, the future of menopause care looks promising.
Hi, I am Dookie. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-boggling content.